All right. Quick intro for episode 35, just so you know what you're getting into. I hadn't been streaming for quite a while, so I had to reacquaint myself with the rig. Now, it's not been a bad stream. I was sort of indecisive whether I should put it up on YouTube or not. I've decided to do it because I haven't been streaming for a while. So maybe, if you were up to date with my streams, you've also forgotten what we were doing. And the way it goes is for the first few minutes, um, I was mostly debugging the guide and trying to figure out what is going on. So first 6 to 7 minutes are actually okay. Then if you keep going from there, you will be looking at me basically going through the guide and the two panels for another 20 minutes or so. That might be pretty boring. Up to you whether you want to see me mumbling about that while I'm trying to figure out what is going on. There might be an issue with the tool or with some of the ports that I'll try to puzzle out off stream. But in general, there's not a lot done there other than fixing the way the up vector was working, and that was in the first 6 minutes. And then I moved on to symmetrizing the foot. So that is actually not too bad. The second half of the stream, we did get the foot going. It's in a little bit more of an empirical kind of fashion than I would have liked, but we got it working. So up to you if you want to watch it or not. I thought I'd let you know. I think it's an okay stream to actually have on in the background as a chill stream. Nothing, groundbreaking or earth-shattering, but the rig has progressed for it, and hopefully I'll be able to stream more frequently again soon enough now that my daughter is settling again with her hours and everything. So if you decide to watch it, enjoy it. If you decide to skip it, it's not a bad stream at all in my opinion, then don't worry, it's not going to be a massive jump from that one to whatever we're going to do in the next one. Thank you very much and see you soon.